So I'm just about to walk into Tesco's in a sec and document the cameras, take a few pictures, see if anyone can explain a few things. And I can't believe it. Facial recognition cameras can only be done overnight. No, as far as I saw, any warnings, or warnings, but information on the windows anywhere to say that they're updating their camera systems, or what for. Dystopian, absolutely dystopian. So, hold on. Here we are at Tesco's. Right, as if they didn't have enough cameras already.
Excuse me, boss.
Now we've got screens in Tesco's, like with some sort of dystopian place. This is for the social credit scoring that's coming, so they can see everything that you're doing. Excuse me, man. Do you know what these are for? What the light you've got round inside the camera on the front door. On the front door as you come in, there's a white dotted light that goes round. Yeah. What's that for?
That's for camera.
Yeah, but there's none of these others have. But the one as you walk in, you've got a light going round. What's that?
I think it's detecting the face.
Facial recognition, yeah? Okay, yeah. I'm going to be boycotting this store. I'm going to be giving out flyers as to what's happening. This is all about social credit scoring that's coming. You know what I mean? Cameras everywhere. Anyway. So yeah, this little white light here is for facial recognition. And there you have it. We'll see.